All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to break this Dyson down into its constituent parts. You've got the vacuum, you've got the canister, and you've got the filter. So it's very simple. First, you have to pull up all the way. Make sure that that pops open. Then what you're going to do is you're going to come onto the side, and there's a little red button here. There's a little red button there. You can press either one or both of them, and the canister comes out. Set the canister down. Next thing you're going to do is come to the bottom. There's a little catch right there. You're going to push it, and that comes right off. Very simple. There's feeds there and feeds there. To put it back together, you slide this here in the middle, push it up, bam, done. Next thing you do is you grab this, slide it through here, bam, done. Then close it. And that's how you do it. Want to take the filter out? It's right here. Just pull, and it comes right out. Bam, change the filter. That's all you do. You pull it out, push it back in. That's how you change the filter on it. And that's how you take the Dyson, break it down. Peace out.